welcome back. Crypto Rico here with another one. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Put on that bell notification so you too could be notified when we're over here experiencing the abundance of money, man. You guys do not want to miss out. Do not miss out on that $100 giveaway. Simply like, subscribe, follow me on Twitter, tag me and a friend on Twitter. That simple, that easy. Win $100. Use the tips and tricks in the video to make it grow, or simply go spend it. None of this is financial advice. I'm bringing financial awareness to a crypto space that is changing on the hour, every hour. With that being said and out the way, welcome back, everybody. We got this one right here. This is a brand new one that just came on the desk. Again, I'm bringing a lot of NFTs out. We got Women Unite, okay? And we're going to go to OpenSea right now. But if you're part of this community, I want you guys to first come over here and like and retweet everything. If you're new to the community, I want you guys to scroll to the top, hit follow, and hit that bell notification and show some support, okay? And we're going to like and retweet this. I already did. My video had messed up. I had to do it again, but no biggie. We're here right now. Make sure you guys come over here, like and retweet all of this if you guys are part of the community. This is just going to be a quick video, bringing some awareness to this project. And I like that it's different. You know, you want things that disrupt the market a lot. And why I'm saying different right now is that this is pretty epic. They're using actual women, right? And they got pictures dressed up just like if NFTs with different properties. Now, I'm going to show you guys right now what's going on. And they're going for some money right now. We got $4,400 and there's some volume being traded. And they also have properties. That's what I really like. Shout out to whoever took care of making the properties on every single pick. That's amazing, whoever got to do that. So here goes another Women Unite, and we're gonna look. This was $4,600, and we got properties. Like I said, the gold necklace. I like that they went that to make it that legit. You got to do that because we're familiar to that, right? Anybody that comes to OpenSea or wants to check out an NFT, they're gonna see what kind of traits. So that being familiar with people that will be able to understand what's going on with the traits and whatnot, like this one, I like that they did that. That was very smart, and it was on point. It was good that you guys stood on point with that. We got the fan is 10%. That's what I want to see. Something very low. We got face stickers, 10%. So this one's pretty rare. That is amazing that they did that. Shout out to the women that did this. And also, again, shout out to everybody who took care of the properties. And it looks like they had a lot of fun. And that's what this is all about. You know, we can have a lot of fun in this crypto space. And they look like they had a lot of fun. With all the different dress ups that they got to do, this must have been a blast. So shout out to them. I hope they really had a good time. Seems like they're really good friends. So let's back this up and take a look at a couple other ones. But I just wanted to bring some awareness. Get that Twitter lit up for me. If you're part of my community, go like that Twitter up. This is officially one of my money bag alerts. I want you guys to pay attention to this one and also the other NFT project I just dropped. Okay, let's check this one out. It's got a pineapple on this red jacket. Let's see. With the wink, it's 8%. So that's the lowest we've seen. Oh, right here. Red winter jacket is 4% and the pineapple is 4%. And we got hair buns, okay? So check this out, man. They got official 18,000. Whoa. Okay. All right, 18,000 for the pineapple and the red jacket, and they got it set up correctly with all the properties. This one, look at the traits. 4%, 4%, 8%. If you guys are interested in my NFT course, it's half off if you tap in on my money bag alerts. Do not miss out on that. And I'll help you understand how to use these properties and also how many times people are liking these. There's a lot of hints and clues, especially when you're trying to snatch up the floor price. If you missed out on minting them, this is how you snatch up the floor and, you know, take a look on how fast the price is going to go up. Somebody, not financial advice, somebody might want to snatch this one up because the rest of them are already over at ETH. It doesn't, wow, that's impressive. Shout out to the Women Unite. That's impressive prices. If I can help out any more in the future with the Women Unite, let me know. Tap in with me if you're part of the team, if you're part of the community, if you guys want to see something more, or let me know about some updates. I'm more than willing to cover it and update the rest of the community. So continue to come back, experience the abundance of money with me. Till next time, you guys know what it is. Later.